little chicks woke up one day, ready for fun and eager to play. The sun was shining, the sky was bright, everything sparkled in golden light. The first little chick said, "Come with me, let's explore and see what we can see." The second chick laughed with a happy cheer, "An adventure awaits, let's go from here." The third little chick flapped tiny wings, excited to discover wonderful things. The fourth chick danced on the grassy ground, listening carefully to every sound. The fifth little chick gave a joyful peep, "Together we'll search both wide and deep." So off they went in a happy line, through fields of flowers and vines that twine. They searched by a pond so calm and blue, where dragonflies danced and lilies grew. They saw little fish swimming below, and watched gentle ripples come and go. "What are we searching for?" asked one chick. The others replied, "We'll find it quick." They giggled and chirped as they wandered along, turning their journey into a song. Peep, 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 what can it be? Something exciting for us to see. Peep, 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 let's look around, a wonderful treasure may soon be found. They walked through a garden bursting with blooms, filled with sweet scents and colorful perfumes. Butterflies fluttered from flower to flower, dancing gracefully every hour. The chicks searched carefully high and low, near every plant and row after row. They found shiny pebbles sparkling bright, like tiny stars in the daylight. Then they entered a forest cool and green, the prettiest place they'd ever seen. Tall trees stretched high into the sky, while friendly birds flew happily by. A squirrel waved from an old oak tree. "Hello, little chicks, what could it be? We are searching for something special today." The chicks all answered along the way. The squirrel smiled and pointed ahead. "Keep exploring with cheer," the squirrel said. "Sometimes treasures are not things you hold, they're better than silver or even gold." The chicks kept searching and wondering too, what special treasure they might pursue. They crossed a meadow soft and wide, with colorful blossoms on every side. Soon clouds floated gently overhead, and the sun painted gold where its light spread. The chicks grew tired from all their walking, but they kept laughing, singing and talking. Then the first chick noticed something strange, on discovery that would soon change. The treasure wasn't hidden away, it had been with them all through the day. The second chick smiled, "Now I can see, the treasure is friendship and company." The third chick nodded, "That's really true, our adventure is special because of you." The fourth chick chirped, "We worked as a team, just like characters in a wonderful dream." The fifth chick laughed with joyful delight. Ten little dinosaurs waking with the sun, stretching tiny arms, ready for some fun. They stomped across the meadow, bright and green, the happiest little dinos ever seen. Ten little dinosaurs roaring with delight, playing games together from morning until night. They counted flowers growing by a tree, laughing as they played so happily. Ten little dinosaurs marching in a line, looking for adventures, feeling so fine. One found a shiny pebble on the ground and showed it to the others all around. Nine little dinosaurs dancing joyfully and standing still. They looked across the valley far away and wondered what they'd find that day. 7 little dinosaurs singing songs so sweet, keeping happy rhythms with their stomping feet. The birds began to chirp along, joining in their cheerful song. 6 little dinosaurs exploring through the trees, feeling gentle sunshine and a cool breeze. They found colorful leaves of red and gold, treasures from the forest bright and bold. 5 little dinosaurs resting for a while, sharing friendly stories with a smile. They talked about adventures they would take and all the wonderful friends they'd make. 4 little dinosaurs spotting butterflies, watching them flutter through the skies. The butterflies dance from flower to flower, bringing beauty to each sunny hour. 3 little dinosaurs building something new, a castle made of stones and flowers too. They worked together side by side, filled with friendship, fun and pride. 2 little dinosaurs jumping over logs, listening to croaking frogs. They laughed and played beside the pond, enjoying nature all around. 1 little dinosaur standing all alone, but soon he heard a friendly tone. His dinosaur friends came running near, bringing happiness and cheer. Then all 10 dinosaurs